Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Riviera Retreat, designing your French coastal garden. Imagine a space where the structured elegance of a French garden meets the untamed beauty of the seaside. This is the essence of a Riviera retreat, a style that captures the sun-bleached charm and relaxed luxury of the Côte d'Azur. It's a design philosophy that balances formal lines with a profusion of drought-tolerant, aromatic plants. The goal is to create an outdoor sanctuary that feels both intentionally designed and effortlessly natural. This garden is not just a landscape, but an extension of the coastal living experience. By embracing a soft, sun-washed color palette and resilient materials, you can cultivate your own slice of this paradise. The color scheme of a French coastal garden is directly inspired by its surroundings, favoring soft, muted tones over vibrant ones. Think of the pale blues of a summer sky, the silvery greens of olive trees, and the gentle lavender and pink of blooming sea thrift. These colors are punctuated by brilliant white, seen in garden furniture, painted trellises, or the clean blooms of gaura and Shasta daisies. This palette creates a serene and luminous atmosphere, even on overcast days. It also helps the garden feel visually cool and refreshing during the hot summer months. Ultimately, these hues mimic the natural, sun-bleached landscape of the coastline, ensuring the garden feels perfectly in place. The harsh coastal environment demands careful selection of hardscaping materials that are both beautiful and durable. Traditional elements like gravel paths are essential, providing excellent drainage and that characteristic Mediterranean crunch underfoot. Aged terracotta pots, their surfaces softened by salt air, are perfect for containing fragrant herbs and sprawling succulents. For seating areas and walls, seek out local, pale-hued limestone or sandstone that weathers gracefully over time. Weathered, natural wood for benches or pergolas adds warmth and a sense of established history. Using these local and resilient materials ensures your garden is not only authentic but also built to last. The planting style is a masterful blend of formal structure and billowing soft textures. Start by defining the space with structured evergreen elements, such as neatly clipped boxwood hedges or pyramidal yew trees, to provide year-round architecture. Then soften these lines with a profusion of drought-resistant, aromatic plants that thrive in sunny, windy conditions. Lavender, rosemary, and santalina offer structure themselves while filling the air with their delightful scent. Ornamental grasses like stipa or blue fescue add movement and a whispery softness that sways in the sea breeze. Finally, include climbing roses or clematis to scramble over arches, adding a layer of romantic cottage garden charm. This combination creates a garden that feels both organized and joyously abundant.